Welcome to the activity of descriptive statistics. Contribution of statistician in the development of statistics. Presented by Sakshi Kadam. Indian as well as foreign statistician. Raj Chandra Bose. Raj Chandra Bose, or Basu, the 19th of June 1901, the 31st of October 1987, was an Indian-American mathematician and statistician best known for his work in design theory, finite geometry and the theory of error-correcting codes, in which the class of BCH codes is partly named after him. He also invented the notions of partial geometry, association scheme, and strongly regular graph, and started a systematic study of difference sets to construct symmetric block designs. He was notable for his work along with S.S. Srikhand and E.T. Parker in their disproof of the famous conjecture made by Leonhard Euler dated 1782 that for no n do there exist two mutually orthogonal Latin squares of order 4n plus 2. Kalyamakpudi Radhakrishna Rao. Kalyamakpudi Radhakrishna Rao FRS, the 10th of September 1920, the 22nd of August 2023, was an Indian-American mathematician and statistician. He was Professor Emeritus at Pennsylvania State University and Research Professor at the University at Buffalo. Rao was honored by numerous colloquia, honorary degrees, and festscripts, and was awarded the U.S. National Medal of Science in 2002. The American Statistical Association has described him as a living legend whose work has influenced not just statistics, but has had far-reaching implications for fields as varied as economics, genetics, anthropology, geology, national planning, demography, biometry, and medicine. Kantilal Madhya. Kantilal Madhya, 1935 present. Specializing in directional statistics, multivariate analysis, geostatistics, statistical bioinformatics and statistical shape analysis, he gained popularity with a series of tests of multivariate normality-based measures of multivariate skewness and kurtosis. His work on statistical measures of shape is quite famous too. To raise the standards of statistics at a global level, he has initiated exchange programs between Leeds and other centers across the globe such as the University of Granada, Spain, and the Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. K.C. Sridharan Pillai. K.C. Sridharan Pillai, 1920 to 1985. He is famous for his work on multivariate analysis and probability distribution and was the best-known statistician of his time. Having studied at the University of Travancore in Trivandrum, he graduated in 1941 followed by master's degree in 1945. He was the founder of the Statistical Center at the University of the Philippines and a visiting professor and advisor for a long duration there. In 1962 he was appointed Professor of Statistics and Mathematics at Purdue University and has been honored with prestigious titles such as Fellow of the American Statistical Association, Fellow of the Institute of Mathematical Statistics, and an elected member of the International Statistical Institute, to name a few. John Wilder Tukey. John Wilder Tukey was an American mathematician and statistician, best known for the development of the fast Fourier transform, FFT, algorithm and box plot. The Tukey range test, the Tukey lambda distribution, the Tukey test of additivity, and the Teichmüller-Tukey lemma all bear his name. He is also credited with coining the term bit and the first published use of the word software. Conclusion. Here, I have come to the end of this activity on the topic Indian as well as foreign statistician. I would like to share my experience while doing this activity. I learned the names of many statisticians that I did not know, and wonderful learning experience for me while working on this activity. This activity increased my research thinking skill and interest in this subject. And very thanks to the HOD ma'am Dr. Sangeeta Birajdara for we are allowed to do activity on this subject. Thank you for watching my activity. Introduction to myself. Name, Sakshi Ashok Kadam. Class, FYBSc, CS. Division, F. Roll number, FF63.